Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix hotspot not working on the Oppo A5x. To fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then tap on connections and sharing. From here, just tap on personal hotspot, then tap on hotspot settings. And from here, just change the password of your hotspot. After you set a new password on your hotspot, also make sure you disable the hide hotspot option. If this option is enabled, the signal of your hotspot will be hidden from other smartphones. So make sure you disable this option. After you do that, then tap on save. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on system and update. From here, tap on backup and reset and tap on reset phone. And from this page, just select reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now just enter your lock screen passcode, then select reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings of your smartphone. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just open settings, then tap on system and update. From here, tap on software update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. And if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix hotspot not working on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.